What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a hair collab with Trendy Tresses, and they are a black owned company in the UK. They have various different beautiful styles and they ship internationally, so if you want to know more about that, you just check down in the description box. I picked the style Nubian curls and it comes out like this. I was sent 5 packets of hair and they come in 6 bundles per packet. This is a close-up of one. They don't tangle and it is very easy to separate. So I'm going to use some ORS hair control, some Eco Styler gel, and some liquid gel. I found this at the yard sale. Looks of this video are inspired by Grownish. So the first style is this simple ponytail, and I'm just going to start with my crazy hair, my washed hair. I'm just going to comb out my hair so that it's tangle free, and then I'm going to go in with some water. I'm going to spray my hair down, and using some Eco Styler gel, I'm just going to put that around the perimeter of my hair. And then I'm going to bunch it up into a ponytail, go in with my hard brush and just smooth out everything, and then I'm going to use a rubber band and just tie it neatly. After that, I'm just going to take out some hair because I want to do my baby hair, and I'm going to go in with the ORS head edge control. And I'm just going to lay my edges real quickly for you guys. Then after that, to do this whole ponytail extension, I'm just going to take my scrunchie and then I'm just going to bunch up the hair together. So this is what we have, and then I'm just going to pin my hair a little bit, and then I'm going to put the hair at the front. Using my scrunchie, I'm going to tie it down and then put everything at the back. I'm just going to open up some of the curls so that it's a little bit big, and for this video I use just 1 packet of hair. And then I'm going to take some hair and wrap it around the end so that you actually don't see where my ponytail starts from. And I guess we are good to go. So you just fluff out your hair a little bit, and this is what you should look like. So the second style is this side ponytail. In the actual video she used straight hair, but I'm using curly hair. So I'm going to put my hair into 2, and then I'm going to do another section. I'm just going to spritz some hair oil on it to make my part shiny, and then I'm going to go ahead and comb out the part. Using some rubber bands, I'm just going to part my hair into smaller sections. In Cameroon we call this one motobo, and as I did with my braids, I'm going to part, apply some Eco Styler gel to the base, and then I'm going to use a rubber band and tie it down. I'm going to repeat the same process till I get to where the end of my pattern is, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks. This is how it looks, and I'm just going to go ahead to do my ponytail look. So I'm just going to start by trying to figure out how I'm going to do this, and I decided to go with just combing my hair to one side and separating my hair into 2. So right now I'm just doing the first side of the ponytail, and I'm going to comb the other section. I'm using the back view so that I can actually see the difference. I'm just going to comb it out and then use a rubber band and tie everything into place. To make sure everything is entirely seamless, I'm just going to go in with some Eco Styler gel and my hard brush. I'm going to brush everything into place. I'm going to do the same thing for the front, some Eco Styler gel and a hard brush. I'm just going to brush everything together so that everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and just take out some hair and do my baby hairs. Nothing dramatic, just very simple and easy going. I'm going to advance to my ponytail, and I'm just going to put it from the front, and then I'm going to tie it down, and taking some extra hair from the back, I'm going to wrap it around so that the base of the ponytail is very seamless. And after that, I'm just going to pin my hair down, and we have a whole look out here. Anyways, the look I'm wearing here, I'm going to upload a makeup tutorial later this week, so you guys subscribe so that you don't miss that in any way. For the third look, I'm going with this kind of a pigtail. So she has two pigtails actually in this video, the high pigtail and the low pigtail. I'm sort of going to do the middle pigtail. I'm just going to comb my hair to make sure everything is detangled and neat, and then I'm going to begin to part my hair in the middle, and I'm just going to comb my hair down so that it adjusts so it's parting. And then I'm going to go with some Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm just going to massage it into my scalp. And then after that, I'm going to use my liquid gel, and I'm just going to spray it down and try to comb my hair into the shape I want it to be. Now that I see a perfect mold, I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel, and then I'm just going to further mold it to how I want my pigtails to look. Since I'm going for a back kind of pigtail, I'm going to send the hair towards my ears, and then I'm just going to tie it down. I did the other side off camera, and I'm just going to show you how I separated the hair, since the whole theme of this video is to use one packet of hair. I just get it right down in the middle, and I used the rubber band as I did in the first video. I just tied it around the base, and we are good to go. I did the first ponytail off camera, so right now I'm just going to start by securing the ponytail to my hair, and then to actually do the pigtail, I'm just going to twist the hair around and then wrap it around my bun, and then I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin it in place at the end, and there we go. We have two pigtails. I'm just going to take out some baby hair, and I'm just going to swoop my hair in beads to make sure my baby hair is laid down neatly. So here is what we have at the end. I think I kind of did a cute job, so I'm just going to go with it. It looks cute, and this is how the final look is. For this next style, I'm just going to do basically the first thing, but with a little bit of more embellishment on it. So I'm going to start off with my hair in a pony bun. I don't know if that's a word, but I'm using it. And then I'm going to secure my hair to the base of it. I'm going to take some extra hair, basically the same thing I did in the first part. So this is kind of self-explanatory. And then after that, I'm just going to take my hair I'm going to divide my hair into two parts, and then I'm just going to wrap them around each other. After wrapping them around each other, I'm going to take a rubber band and secure the base so that it doesn't unravel. And then I'm going to go in with my gold thread, and I'm just going to wrap that around my hair. I know in the video she let some hair out, but I wasn't feeling the whole look, so I just decided to go with completely wrapping everything. It's pretty simple and straightforward to do. So right now I'm just going to wear my earrings and come back to show you how I look. And then for this video, I'm going to do a high bun. I already have a similar tutorial like this on my channel, so I'm going to link it down. Make sure you check the description box. I'm going to start off with my hair, and as it is in two parts, I'm just going to use one part and just wrap around my pony bun. That should be a word. And then after that, I'm going to take the second part and I'm just going to wrap it around again. And I'm doing this so that my bun comes out really high. It's not just flat and thick, it's actually high and then it's thick as well. So you could leave it like this, but because I wanted a more natural look, I decided to go ahead and tease out some hair so that it's a little bit messy, you know, the whole messy bun situation, and I was living for it. Okay, so here is the final look, and I love it. I saved the best for last, so I really love this look. When I watched this episode and this look came out, I was just like, nah, I have to do this. So I'm starting off with my hair, and I'm just going to spray the liquid gel on my hair. And after that, I'm just going to comb my hair. I'm going to comb everything to the back because it's a low ponytail, and since I'm not going for the real extremely slicked look, because I'm doing this looks like in between days, so there's no need to be slicking my hair like super sleek. Anyways, I'm just going to comb everything to the back, and then I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to tie it down. I'm going to go in with some Eco Styler gel and just make sure that there is no hair hanging in sight. And then I'm going to carve out some hair from my baby hairs, and I'm just going to get that done very quickly. I'm going to lay my baby hairs down with my satin edge wrap, and I'm going to go in with my hair. And as usual, I'm going to start from the front, and I'm going to attach it to the base of my hair. And then I'm going to take some extra hair and wrap it around so that it looks really neat. And then I'm going to go ahead and just tease some of the curls that were not fully opened or whatnot. And then I'm just going to start adding these hair pins I found from AliExpress. I'm going to link them down below so you guys can go check it out and buy if you want. And this is a finished look, so I love this look so much, like I'm living for this entire video. Don't forget to check out the hair in the description box, and I love you guys. See you in my next video.